It's me, Fiona Gale, and I wanted to show you my room. Sure. Let's start.
Jar, my bed. I wanted to show you my bed. My bed. Kita ba? Kita. Yan. Yan ang bed ko. Then, mirror. Mirror ko. Mirror ko yan. I don't know this. Low for length. Ikaw. iPhone. Just kidding. Talagyan siya ng make-up dati. Natangka. Jar. Talagyan ng wallet na. Jar siya. Dapat lalagyan to ng sugar namin. Ay, sorry. Just 2 glasses. Yung isa, walang salamin. Perfume. Lalagyan ko siya ng relo. Suot ko, wala siyang tabi. Meron akong choker. Choker.
Wala naman pangalan.
Bracelet. Eye retainer. And that is, makalat talaga yung damit ko. Damit ko. Pero ito, matinis. Yan. Before we end this video, subscribe me, please. Bye.